Can I make a Prudential payment online? Yes, you can make a payment online for your Prudential insurance policy. Prudential offers various online options to pay your premiums quickly and securely. Whether you have life insurance, disability, or any other type of policy with Prudential, paying online is a convenient option to ensure your coverage remains active. 1. How to make a payment online. Step 1. Visit the official Prudential website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to the Payments section or the Billing area. Step 3. Select the payment method you prefer, bank transfer, credit, debit card, etc. Step 4. Enter the payment amount and any required payment details. Step 5. Review the payment information and submit your payment. Second, payment methods. Prudential accepts various forms of payment, including bank transfer or direct debit from your checking or savings account, credit or debit card payments for faster processing, one-time or recurring payments for regular premiums. 3. Setting up automatic payments. To make your life easier, you can set up automatic payments through Prudential's online portal. This ensures your premiums are paid on time, every time, without you needing to remember to make a manual payment. Fourth, mobile app payments. Prudential also offers a mobile app where you can make payments on the go. The app provides the same features as the website, including the ability to view your billing history and manage your payment options. Fifth, customer support for payments. If you need help with making an online payment, you can contact Prudential's customer service team for assistance. They can guide you through the process or help you troubleshoot any issues. Making a payment online to Prudential is simple, secure, and can be done quickly through their website or mobile app. Would you like to explore insurance options with Prudential today? Click on the link in the description below.